In this section, we will cover how to install IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition IDE, and then we will verify its installation. Installing IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. To download and install IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, we go to the jetbrains.com site and then go to the IntelliJ IDEA page and click on the download button, the appropriate architecture, and click the download option for the DMG installer. This is around 720 MB file, so it may take few minutes. The installer for IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is fully downloaded in my system, so I can launch it by clicking on the DMG file. Now it will launch the installer, and as you see here, I need to drag this to applications to install this, and once I drag it, the installation will get completed. So I've done this and it is copying the file, and once the copying is completed, I can launch IntelliJ IDEA from my applications file. I can put IntelliJ Community Edition, and from the applications, when I click on the IntelliJ IDEA CE, which stands for Community Edition icon, it prompts me first that this is an app downloaded from internet. So are you sure you want to open it? I say yes, open it. And then before I can launch it for the first time, it shows user agreement. I confirm the user agreement, click continue, and in few seconds the IntelliJ IDEA is launched in my computer. Now let's try to create a new project using the downloaded JDK 17. I click on new project. I choose Oracle JDK 17. I can here add a JDK if I want. So I have here JDK 17. I choose this. So it shows me Oracle Open JDK version 17.0. Then I do next. I need a command line app. I can choose the template. There's a simple Java application that includes a main method. So I have to provide a project name. I say hello world. I can put a base package. Let me put this com.example, and then I click finish. So once I click finish, I see the editor with a main class. I can just close the tip. So every time you start a new project, IntelliJ IDEA will prompt you with a tip about how to use the IDE. So here you see I have a main method. There is an option to write code here. So here I'll write system.out.println and I say hello world. And when I run this, let's see if it is able to execute. So yeah, you see this hello world is displayed in the console, and the JDK used was JDK 17. So this is how we install and verify Java 17 installation in our system. Thank you.